Okay, so good morning everyone. We are having our online YouTube session with all these students. Please, everyone, please look here. So these are our all students. This is our first recording of the second session. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, please pay attention here. So today what we will start? What you want to start? Canva or Excel? Excel? Okay, so let's go with Excel. In Excel, what you want to study? That's already done in last session. So today we will see about banking. Okay. So for banking, what we will do? Okay, let's do one thing. We will go for civil score. Okay. So let me join this and I will give a color to this. What's the name of our project? Banking with civil score. Civil score is associated with every individual who have a PAN card. Okay, if you have an account in your bank and have a PAN card, then you will get civil score. Okay, so let's first have our customers and then a civil score for them. After that, let's have the scores and the sanction percent with that. Sanction percent, and then let's have bank. After bank, let's have their sanction, not sanction, rates, rate percent. For customers, let's say define Dipti, Ankita. Okay, let's have some customers, and for assigning civil score, we will not give them manually. We will give with rand between, let's give 330 to let's say 99, and we'll multiply with 10. Why? Because we want last digit should be a 0. Okay, enter, and then just drag it, copy, then right click for paste special, paste the value, copy, then right click, paste special values. And for scores here, let's say from 300 to 400, and then 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Speak louder. Okay, for here we will give percentage. Okay, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, these are our percentage of sanction rate. And let's give bank HDFC. Which other banks? ICICI, then Axis, then SBI, then UCO, HDFC is already given. Okay, fine. Now let's give rate here. For HDFC, let's give 15%, ICICI 12%, Axis Bank 11%, SBI 10%, and UCO Bank 9%. Once it is done, let's decorate this with some background colors. Okay? You are understanding what I am saying? Okay, good. Okay, after defining this, let's create our main table. This will be our main table. Okay? In this main table, what we will be needed? Customers. We will need customers. Apart of that, their CIBIL scores, banks, whatever loan they were applying, loan amount, then statement, then their sanctioned, their rate, duration, EMI, then repayment, then total interest. Okay, let's make them bigger. Okay, now for customers, what we will do? Yeah, we will make a list. How? First go to data, then validation, then list, then in this source we will click on that, then we will come to our sheet 1 and then select all the list of customers, press OK, then our list is done. Okay, for CIBIL score, what we will do? See, for getting CIBIL score is directly placed right to our customers here. So what we will do, we will give this a name. Just select this and give a name. Let's say customers, CUSTOMERS, customers. Now what we will do, in our main table, write equals to VLOOKUP. In VLOOKUP, let's select the customer name and we will lock this with function F4, and then the table name is customers. Okay, then our column index is 2 and then press 0, close the bracket, enter. Sapna is having 410 as CIBIL score. Let's check. See, Sapna 410. Now if I select some different customer, Ranu, she is having 740. Okay, now after that, let's make a list of banks. What we will do, again data, go to validation, select list and then press on the source, just drag it this side and select the banks, press enter. So our bank name is selected here. Now we will select the loan amount. Let's say Ranu is taking a loan of 5 lakh rupees. After writing 5 lakhs, then go to home and convert it to a denomination. We will write statement later. For sanction, see, Ranu is having 740 CIBIL score. So 740 falls in the range of 700 to 800. So she will be allotted with 70% as sanction. Okay, 70% will be sanctioned to her. So for 5 lakhs, 70% will be 3,50,000. So how we will get that? Let's do one thing. Select this entire score column and then write scores here, SCORES, scores, enter, and then select here and write sanctions, SNCTIONS, sanctions, enter, and then go to here. We don't need that. Okay, select them entire and then write banks. Now here what we will do, in the sanctioned equals to lookup. In lookup we will search for this CIBIL and then search in the scores, and our result will come from sanctions. After that we will multiply with loan amount. Enter. Correct? Now our rate will come from our bank. So equals to VLOOKUP. Where is our bank? Here. And we will compare this with our bank's table from the past sheet. And column index will be 2. Press 0. Enter. And just click over here. Then press percentage. ICICI Bank 12%. See, ICICI Bank is having 12%. Now let's say we are giving a duration of 10 years. So what will be the EMI? What will be the EMI? Formula? Yeah, equal to PMT. Then rate. Then divide by 12. Then duration. Then yes, multiply by 12 because we have 12 months in a year. Okay. Then minus sanction because we are applying for 5 lakhs but we are getting 3,50,000. So we have to pay EMI for the sanctioned amount. Enter. So per month she has to pay 5,021 rupees. Repayment will be equals to EMI into 12. Then into duration. Enter. So for this 3,50,000 rupees she have to pay 6 lakh something. Total interest she will be paying equals to repayment minus sanction. Enter. Okay. Now let's look how we will write statement. Loan sanctioned. How much percent? Let's say 70%. 70% from which bank? Let's say ICICI Bank at whatever rate will be there. Let's say 12% rate as per CIBIL score. See, now for writing this we will need to join our sentences with formula. So how we will do that? First let's copy this loan sanctioned. Now here I will write equals to inside double quotes loan sanctioned, and then let's make this bigger. See, our 70% is coming from lookup formula. So we will copy this lookup formula, press Ctrl C, enter, and come to this statement, press and paste this formula. See, we are getting 0.7. Now for converting it into 70, we have to multiply with 100. So multiply this with 100. See, 70 is, we got 70. Now we have to multiply with, just concatenate with percentage sign, then percent from. After from, we have to select our bank. So close this with double quotes, press and then select the bank name. Again press and double quote with bank at. It's completed. See, we got till here, till this at. Now 12% rate. So 12% is present over here. Since it is a percent, we have to multiply with 100. At, then press and. Click on this rate, multiply with 100, then and percent rate as per CIBIL score. Done. Clear? It's done. So now if we go for different customer, see, from different bank. So based on her CIBIL score, she is allotted with 50% of loan. Got it? Is this done? Everyone? Is this done? Pay attention here. Done? All students? Okay, thank you. Now let's learn Canva. See, in Canva, अच्छा कहला आम कैनवा रे कौन करि परिबा? व्हाट कैन वी डू इन कैनवा? କୁହ ଆମେ କ୍ୟାନଭାରେ କ'ଣ କରିପାରିବା? What? Yeah, we can create wedding video, then resume, then birthday card. Yes, we can create, in short, we can create all type of designing templates, okay, or designing templates or graphic designing works. Fine. So what we will do now, inside this Canva, how we will go through it? We will come to project. Let's do one thing. We will create this project. See this, from this downloads, we had downloaded this medical form, okay. We had downloaded this. So what we will do now, we will create this, okay, in Canva. So come to Canva, let's make a folder of our project. Click on these folders, then press add new. Inside this add new, just wait for a minute. I think Canva is slow or our net is slow. Let's check that. So our net is fast, but Canva is slow right now. Okay, first of all, let's do one thing. See, this is our image, okay. From this image, there is lot of text information. We will extract this text from which tool? हमें text गुड़ा को बाहर कर दवा कोथेरू. Yes, correct. ChatGPT. So what we will do? We will go to chatgpt.com and then inside click on this plus icon, add photos and files. Then here select that medical form. We will write a prompt for that. Extract all text in English in correct way. After this, just wait for a minute. Okay. Enter. So from that image, ChatGPT will extract all the text. Okay. Clear? Just scroll it down. Once it is created, we will go to projects. Now we will create on add new folder. Yes, inside this folder we will create a folder name YouTube class. Press on continue. Open. Once we open it, we will go to add new. Design. Create new. See, we can use this resume also as well. We can also select we will select this resume, because see, whether it is saying resume We will search this medical logo, enter. Here let's say I am taking this logo. Let's make this screen bigger. Place it over at the top, and then what else is written? Okay, DR Pathology Lab. You can select that entire text from here also. See, it's written. We had extracted in from ChatGPT. So select this, go to here. YouTube sample, press on element, click on this. Okay, now here what we will do, we'll make this even smaller. For text, we will select this text area, click on this text, press Ctrl A and then select, paste this entire text. Okay, now to make it smaller, just make this a small, make it big here, place at the left side, make it even more smaller, enter, zoom it further. Okay, from here we will okay, now we will do what? We will color this pathology. Okay, if you see, this pathology lab has a different color. So we will select this pathology lab and give a color to it. Okay, now see, below this there is accurate, caring and instant. What we will do? So what we will do, just Control D. Control D means creating duplicate. Okay, Control A, just make a smaller size, give a smaller size, accurate, instant and then caring. Now there is a small image over here. What is that? This microscope. So from this design we will select microscope, see all. Okay, let's do one thing, let's select this one. Okay, after that what we will do, we will reduce the size of this image. Okay, just move this towards right and then place this image over there. Okay, will you be able to do this? See, for this entire, see, there is one, this will be a big task. See, for this particular table, result, comments and all those things, what you can do, you can select a table from here. See, in the elements there is a thing called table. So from this table you can select this. We got our table, place it at the top. See how many lines are there? Two rows are there. So two columns are there. So we will remove the third column. Right click on the column, delete column, and then make this table a bigger. So what else is there? Result and comments. So right here results and there comments. Okay, inside this result, whatever results are there, go to ChatGPT, it had already extracted. See this result, copy this and paste it over here. Okay, now for this particular comments, again copy this and place it in comments. Make this bigger. Okay, see, there is lot of spaces over here. So what we can do, right click, don't right click, just select the table, entire table. In this entire table, go to table spacing and cell spacing, reduce it to some less than 3, and then just reduce the size. Okay, this way we can reduce our table size. In short, it will reduce our spacings in entire page also. Okay, you had already done this, so I am not going further into that because it will make the recording further big. So you can see most of our students had already done that. See, not here. I think they had done, okay, in this Pro G71. See, most of our students had already done this, so that's why I am not going further in details. Okay, clear? You guys had also done this? Yeah. So thank you everyone. Once again, thank you for your cooperation in this recording. Okay, we will have next recording next week. Okay, till then, take care.